Hello everyone. Today we are going to take our homework about past tense irregular verbs. In this activity you are going to see regular and irregular verbs. Let's start. First of all, you have to read a sentence and complete it with the correct verb. The verb is in infinitive, but you have to write it in past tense. Okay. Yesterday was a busy day. I woke up at 6 a.m., had breakfast quickly, and then I went to work. I finished at noon and then I ate some lunch. Afterwards, I drove to the shops, bought some paint, and then painted my bedroom. My housemaid came home from work, so I helped him paint his room. Then we repaired his chair as it wobbled a lot. I wished I hadn't, as I hurt my hands. After that, I cleaned my house. I vacuumed all the downstairs and then tidied up the living room and the kitchen. I was pretty tired by then, so I ate some dinner, yawned, and went to bed. Okay, that's the first part. It is here in infinitive and you have to write it in past tense. Then we have a similar activity here. You have the verbs in infinitive, but you have to decide which verb are you going to use. Okay, let's start. I thought he was fired. It is the past tense of think. My mom rang me last night, but I wasn't at home to take her answer. It is the past tense of ring. I went to the zoo with my son last weekend. Okay, when is the past tense of go? I ate 4 cakes for lunch. I feel sick. Ate is the past tense of eat. He took him to see the doctor because he had been ill for so long. You know that took is the past tense of the verb take. I saw that new movie last night. It was great. So it's the past tense of see. Then he left his son alone all day. Leave is the present tense here. I drank 2 bottles of grape juice last night. I don't feel too well today. Drank is the past tense of drink. They said it tasted horrible. Say is the past tense of say here. And the last one, it was too expensive and we paid too much for it. Okay, that's the second activity, and finally, we have to write a present or past of these verbs. Let's see. Hear, heard. Leave, left. Ring, rang. Drink, drank. Go, went. Get, got. Take, took. Come, came. See, saw. Shut, shut. Lend, lent. Steal, stole. Swim, swam. Okay, now be, it could be was or were. It depends, you know. I, she, he, it, was. You, we, they, were. Put. Think, thought. Drive, drove. Break, broke. Oversleep, overslept. Sit, sat. Wake, woke. Run, ran. Write, wrote. Dig, dug. Bring, brought, and finally, fly, flew. Okay, thank you very much. That's all our homework.